Welcome to Panama City, guys. Let's go shopping. Welcome back, everyone. We are going to be doing a low-carb keto haul in Panama City. We're visiting Supermercado Rey. Even if you are not into low-carb lifestyle, hopefully you will still find this video entertaining and you will get to see what a grocery store in Panama City looks like. So let's go. All right, I hope you can hear me, guys, because masks are mandatory here, so it might be a little bit muffled, but we will get through this. We have a gorgeous produce section here, and I think we're going to come back to the produce section because we'll do that last. But I did want to show you one thing because the avocados here are incredible. Like, look at how big they are in comparison to the size of my hand. And just for reference, the currency here is US dollars and Balboas, and they are equivalent. So this would be $2.33 US. Here's the bread section, which would be typically definitely off limits on keto. But there is something that caught my eye over here, and I just have to show you guys. So I don't know if anyone has tried these, but these are the Smartcakes, raspberry, chocolate, vanilla, and I have tried these before and they are actually incredibly tasty. And for 38 calories and 0 carbs, oh my goodness, we are definitely taking some. Of course, we've got to have eggs. And we might as well go for the best quality we can get. Have some pasture-raised eggs. Look pretty decent. Got to check inside. Yep, good to go. So I imagine a lot of this is looking pretty familiar. We're in the chip section now. And we're gonna grab some nuts. These really caught my eye here. We have macadamia nuts, $8. I mean, kind of pricey, but it's macadamia nuts, so let's see. Looking good on the carb count, nothing hidden. All right. Now this might be something that you don't see too often. A huge section like this of plantain chips. Actually goes there, all the way over there, and they are delicious. I have tried them, but their carbs are a little bit crazy. Let's see if we can take a look here. 20 grams for those guys. Let's see. 18 grams, yeah, so a little bit too high, but they are really a cool product. There is one thing here that we can get though, and that is this moon cheese. Yummy. There's almost always a huge section in these grocery stores of cold drinks, and most of them, can't really go for. There are a few options here, but I think I'll leave them for now. And a gorgeous meat and cheese counter. Wow, look at all that stuff. Lots and lots to choose from here. So this is actually a pretty good find. This is a good price for goat cheese, or sheep cheese, I guess it is. It's a pretty little piece, but yeah, we'll still get it. All right, we have to have whipping cream for coffee. Let's see this. It's kind of a little steeply priced at $10, but that's fine. And then, I don't know, somebody let me know if they've tried this product. It's called Keto Milk, plant-based. What is it? Organic coconut cream, MCT oils. It actually looks really great, but it is $10. So yeah, we're gonna leave that. So the coffee selection here is huge. and it's all excellent. But I typically just go with the house brand, $3.50 for a package, and it's really good. I've been really addicted, I guess you could say, to these zero sugar yogurts. They have 5 grams of carbs, and they're sweetened with stevia and monk fruit. So good. All right, here we have some keto granola bars, but are they really keto? Let's check it out. 2 net grams of carbs. Yeah, not bad. I mean, what's our sweetener in here? We've got, oh, sorry guys, there we are. Pecan Almonds, allulose. Yeah, pretty good. I don't know if I really want to justify the $7 for 4 bars, but let's think about it. And there's a huge selection of shelf-stable milk. You very rarely see milk in coolers here, which is fine. That totally works. And they have also quite a few different plant milks. All the usual suspects, right? Your coconut and almond. Now, guys, I have never tried this. I know it's very popular and a lot of people have. It's $10, but I guess I'm gonna go for it and get it, and I'll have to do a little review on it and let you know what I think. Usually I don't get too many keto products because generally I can't find them when I'm traveling, and also they're just so expensive here. So guys, as you can see, I'm throwing a lot of keto products into my cart here, but it's a little bit exciting for me because I've been traveling about 4 years actually, from Canada to Panama here, and I very rarely get to see these keto products. So I'm a little bit excited, and so I'm just throwing it all in the cart. I'm sure many of you have tried these products. Let me know if you have and if you like them. Yeah, but let's keep on going. I think that we're almost ready to do some actual food shopping. Okay, I think that this is the last keto product I'm going to put in the cart. I don't really know why the peanut butter ones are $4.45 and then over here the vanilla ones are like $8.85. I don't know, and they are on for 20%. Let's take a look here. I mean, pea protein, rice flour, maybe not the best, but let's give them a shot. Lots of juices to choose from, lots of cookies to choose from, and I'm sure many of these are familiar to you guys, like Chips Ahoy. There are a lot of brands of cookies, I have to say, in Panama and other parts in Central America. So very rarely do I find cookies that are keto, so yeah, let's get them. Why not? Go all out. And we might as well get something for our furry friend. We've got beef, heart, tuna. He's a fan of the chicken, so let's grab one of those. How much? 3? Oh, that's not terrible for dog treats. Well, we got the LaCroix here, but I have to say, like, $7.25 for 12. Seems pricey to me. You guys, let me know what this runs for in the States and Canada. But then I came over here and I saw that Perrier is $11.30. So, you know, let's go with the LaCroix. So yeah, things are a little bit more expensive than probably what you're seeing in Canada and the States, but of course it needs to be all brought in. But I thought it would still be really fun to show you what is available here, because man, almost everything seems to be available in this store. So let's show you a few fun products that I found that I'm not going to buy, but are pretty cool. Of course, we all love the monk fruit sweetener. Skinny sweet, I haven't seen before. This one looks actually very good. Erythritol allulose monk fruit, really nice. All these awesome products. Brownie Mix Cupcake. Oh man, this looks so good. I am not gonna buy them though, but yeah, they look really good. The Impossible pasta. I mean, this one, I don't know. I'm on the fence on, like, it's high in fiber, but still 44 grams of carbs per serving. And really, you know, you're gonna eat like more than one serving of that. And here we have the pork rind crumbs. These look really good, but since I'm only here for another few days before we fly out, I cannot take them with me. But yeah, good price actually, $7 for that on sale. Not bad. Remember what I was saying about plantains are super popular here? Plantain croutons, how cool is that? And just down from there is something that we enjoy, Chosen Foods. I haven't purchased this since I've been in the States, but this is such a great dressing, so we'll get one of those. I'm in love. Look at all these oils. We've got the coconut, the MCTs, walnut, all the different kinds of avocado oils. This is amazing, amazing. Yeah. Unfortunately, I can't really buy any of them since I'm going to be heading to Colombia here in hopefully the next week, but huge selection, but we can get some olives. Let's try to, might as well get, there we are, jar of olives. Check this out, look at this grass-fed beef, Kobe ground. This all looks so amazing, but I think that these have caught my eye. They're burgers, they don't have any filler, they're just meat, $4.25. That's a great price, but I think I'm gonna come back for that. Let's get the frozen stuff last. This is completely a ceviche section. Check it out. Oh man, this looks so good. Wow. We've got, what do we have here? Octopus. Nice. This is one product I'm so impressed with. I don't know if this is available in the States and Canada, but this is a Stevia sweetened chocolate, and just check out like the carb count on this. It's 25 grams of carbs. Let's see. 25 grams of carbs, and then with a fiber minus 14, and that's for practically the whole bar. That's for 100 grams. So really impressive. All right, guys, I think it's time to actually go buy some meal ideas and get some vegetables in this cart, so let's go do that. Got a beautiful selection of pre-cut fruit here. Lots to choose from, but I think we're gonna maybe go with some strawberries if they are looking good. Looks like a product from here in Panama, so we'll give it a shot. And my goodness, this selection of mushrooms here goes on and 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 on. Holy. Ton of green veggies to choose from all the way around here. Gonna get a bunch of lettuce so we can do salads this week. A few things here that look pretty awesome. We've got these little hydroponic tomatoes, $1.59. Some good looking cucumbers and some really cute little mini zucchinis for stir fry. So if we are going to do bunless burgers, we gotta get some of these mushrooms. They look really good. And this is actually something really interesting that I see here in Panama, where they cut up the squash and all these different vegetables and they vacuum seal it into this like neat little ready to go package, which is a nice idea. So you don't have to buy a whole squash if you don't want. This has got to be the most adorable little sweet cabbage I've ever seen. Look how little it is. We'll grab a cabbage, but a little bit bigger. Well, what's a keto haul without getting avocados? They don't have the Haas ones here, but these are the ones that I typically see in Panama, and they are quite different. They're much more like vegetal tasting than the Haas avocados. Yeah, they're good. They're just not as sweet. So these are pretty firm. Maybe we'll just grab one. Are you guys still hanging in there? We've done pretty well. We just have to grab some meat and some frozen product, and then yeah, that's gonna be it. The meat section here is gorgeous. There's a lot to choose from, that's for sure. I'm looking mostly for some ground beef, something along those lines. But yeah, lots and lots of selection, lots of beautiful cuts of meat. So these are pretty big packages, probably a little more than I need here. Let's try to find the smallest one possible. This one is $5 for the Green Giant, but over here I see they have this organic brand, $3.55, and it's a lot. So we'll go with that one. So these are the hamburgers that I was looking at. They look really good. Let's see here. Looks like, whoops, looks like it's upside down. Doesn't look like there's any fillers or junk in there. Let's just make sure. And yeah, we'll grab those. Ground beef, seasonings, dehydrated vegetables. Whoops, sorry guys, there we are. So it looks pretty good actually. We've got just ground beef and seasoning, so yeah, one of those. It's a really nice selection of fish here, but I think I'm gonna go with some shrimp. Oh, this looks really good. Has anyone tried this before? Oh, it looks interesting. Price is pretty good on it too. Here we got shrimps, $10. Ready to eat. We have the keto ice cream, but you know, I think I got enough keto treats, really. I think we can leave it for today, but you can see that, yeah, it's available here in Panama, $7.60 for a pint. Lots of flavors to choose from. Final item, and then we are out of here. All right, our final haul, $160. Really, we have a lot of meals, a lot of food, so not too bad. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed a keto grocery haul here in Panama City. As you can see, you can find many of the same products as you can find in Canada and the US. It is really not hard to be keto here. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. My Uber's here. I gotta go. Burrito, burrito, burrito. Oh, look at you, chilling on the couch. Hi, hi, hi. Hello, good sir. Are you interested in reviewing the following product? This is chicken jerky from Ray's Supermarket. Here we have a beautiful piece of chicken jerky. Oh, yay! Yum! All right, guys, if you are interested in seeing a Boston Terrier review keto products, check out this next video.